Okay, as a final, just one final demonstration, I just wanted to show everybody that apart from the load current specifications being completely false and an absolute lie, so are the noise specifications. Here's the generator sitting here running with, I'll show you, one heater element running and it's drawing just under 600 watts. 593 watts. Now, sitting here close to it, there's a dB meter, 85 to 87 dB, sitting there next to it. These things are claimed to be 59 dB at 4 metres. So, there we are, I've walked 4 metres away, and as you can see here, it's still somewhere around 80 dB, 4 metres away. That's at the front of it as well. Now if I walk down here away from it from the rear, you'll probably find it's worse. Now there it is, I'll just walk back away here. I'm about 4 metres away from it now, so it's 85 dB. My driveway is 7 metres to the shed. There we have it, 7 metres away. We're still showing 80 dB. So how they get a 59 dB sound rating, I've got no idea. Even right here, I mean, and you can see where the generator is, it's ages away there. That's a good 9 metres away by now. So, and it's still 76, 78, 75. So it's a long way short of being 59 dB. Now that's in its normal operation mode. Even in the econo mode, if you walk up close to it, I can turn the econo switch on, and even when you do, you'll see it drop from 94. You'll see that drop down to 84. So it dropped about 10 dB. Now just to repeat that test, I'll walk back away inside on the front of it. That's 4 metres away. With econo mode, it's still somewhere between 77 and 74 to 78 dB. And if we go to the back of it, on the exhaust side of things, as you can see there, you'll see as I walk away, that's approximately, that's 4 metres away at its specification. So even in econo mode, it's still 80 dB of noise level. And even if I come right out here into the street, over 9 metres away, you're still looking at 72 dB. So just being generous, say 72 dB at 9 metres away. That's a far cry from their 59 dB noise rating. So, as I've said in all the load test videos, these 7 kVA generators are just an absolute flat out lie in both noise specifications and current output specifications. And I can play with this thing all day long and have done for many weekends, and the result is exactly the same. They don't produce what they're supposed to, and they're as noisy as hell. So if you're looking for a nice quiet campsite somewhere, or a mobile home place or something like that, certainly don't buy one of these generators. They're as noisy as hell. You'll have complaints everywhere. So there you go, thanks for watching, and don't make the same mistake I did. Buy a brand name. Thank you.